All right, blessings, family and friends. Now, this is not the video upload for tomorrow. That's going to be uploaded tomorrow. But this is a video announcement. I want to invite every one of you to the WarRoom Prayer Assembly. Theme, the Quadruple Threat to the Kingdom of Darkness. Praise, worship, word, and prayer. Date, time, location will be announced soon. Now, the date will possibly be December 19th. I know the Saints play that day, and they play at 7:15. But we're going to get everybody in there at a good time so you can get out and go watch the Saints game. Possibly 2 o'clock. But the location, time will be announced soon. Also, personal invitations will be sent out. We may post this to social media, like we may not, because we don't want to attract wrong attention, wrong spirits. But personal invitations will be sent out to those who are going to be essential to being there. And virtual video streaming will be available by way of Churches United Kingdom Fellowship page on Facebook, and also YouTube, possibly from David M. Christopher on YouTube. Looking forward to see all of y'all there. This will be a good time for us to come together, pray and worship, intercede together. It's going to be a fresh teaching, but also praise, worship, but especially prayer, because that's so needed right now. I've been hearing testimonies and praise reports, testimonials of how prayer is really working for people, really working. So we want to come together that day for prayer, but there's going to be worship, praise, and a powerful fresh teaching. Looking forward to seeing y'all there. Everybody that I send personal invitation to, teams send personal invitations to, we're going to look forward to y'all being there with us. Don't stop praising and don't stop praying.